Hello and welcome to Beyond Business, a program that showcases the unseen side of the corporate world. Stories of initiative undertaken by corporate houses that extend well and truly beyond their scope of business. On the program this week, Lupin, a pharmaceutical company with a turnover of 1,200 crores. But Lupin is not just known for manufacturing anti-tuberculosis drugs. The Lupin Human Welfare Research Foundation has taken up pioneering development work in 3 states in the country, Rajasthan, UP and MP. But its work started 16 years ago in Bharatpur district. At that time, Bharatpur was ranked 15th in the Human Development Index and had a scheduled caste population of 23%. Today, from 35 villages 16 years ago, today Lupin has touched 243 villages in Bharatpur district alone. And whether it is boosting agricultural production or helping women with income generation schemes or building roads or providing water in villages, Lupin's work now touches nearly 1 lakh people.
Our ideology in Lupin is very simple. We do not provide any charity to the villagers. Rather than we empower them. In the process, while adopting the villages, 3 types of program are being identified. One is the economic development program, another is the social development program, and third is the community development program. Community development program is very important to us also, because here is the cause for the community to converge around the कन्वर्ज एक्चुअली। राम राम साहब, और कैसे हो गिरिराज सिंह जी? आनंद है। और क्या हो रहा है? नए काम क्या चल रहे हैं गांव में?
चल रही है, किसानों का काम चल रहा है।
अच्छा अच्छा, और कैसे हो आप? बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हो, बहुत अच्छी बात।
So basically what you're doing is you're helping with whatever is already existing.
Already existing actually, and if the skills are not available, then we provide them skills through the various training programs also. Not only that, we are providing trainings over here also, but we are also sending the youth or the women to the other institutions also where the trainings are being provided actually. So number of programs have been undertaken, and when as far as the implementation part is concerned, we have come out with very noble concept actually. Noble concept is that we form the Lupin Village Development Councils in each and every village actually. These are the persons who decide their priorities, number 1. They identified their problem, number 2. They also raise the resources also. So this is the number 1, because
so it's not like you're giving them money and saying start
not
this
at
program.
all, not at all. Their contribution through Tan Man Dhan is a must. This is the finest definition of rural development. This is the representative body of Lupin Gaon Vikas Panchayat in this village. In this Lupin Gaon Vikas Panchayat, the nomination of the women and the teacher and the scheduled caste is a must, so that there is a fair representation of all the communities in this Lupin Gaon Vikas Panchayat.
So glad to see the women are here.
Yeah. Thank you. आपने जो अपनी जो पंचायत है लुपिन गांव विकास पंचायत, उसमें जो मीटिंग की है या मीटिंग कर रहे हो आप, उसमें कौन कौन सी समस्याएं आपकी हैं, जरा बताओ तो सही आप।
हमने अभी ज्वलंत समस्या रखी है, 4 समस्या रखी है।
हाँ हाँ।
एक पानी की समस्या है, उसमें बिजली नहीं आने पर पानी उपलब्ध नहीं होता है, क्योंकि नल नहीं चलते, इसलिए हम एक कुआं उसके लिए बनवाने का प्रस्ताव है। एक दूसरा, नलों के पानी को
नहीं, जैसे आपने कुएं का प्रस्ताव लिया है तो इसमें आपने अंदाजा लगाया कि कितने पैसे लगेंगे इसमें? कितना एस्टीमेट आपने?
बनवाएंगे अभी
नहीं, कितने का करिए अंदाज जैसे आपका हो?
61,000 रुपए की लागत आएगी।
61,000 की आएगी।
1,000 रुपए हम जन सहयोग से कर रहे हैं।
20,000 रुपए।
1,000 रुपए हम आपसे उम्मीद करते हैं लुपिन की संस्था की तरफ से।
हाँ हाँ।
और बाकी का जो अपने राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम है अपना काम उसमें आपके माध्यम से उसमें मंजूर कराएं तो कुएं का निर्माण हो सकता है।
मेरा मानना यह है कि अभी गुरु गोलवलकर योजना चालू हो गई है और उसमें अपना योगदान अपन जमा करा देंगे अपन, और उसमें 30% गांव वालों का योगदान है और 70% हमको सरकार से मिल जाएगा। हमारा ये काम हो जाएगा, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। और उसमें अगर गांव का कुछ सहयोग कम पड़ेगा तो वो लुपिन से हम उसमें सहयोग कर देंगे।
बहुत अच्छा रहेगा सर। और एक
The concept of the Lupin Gram Vikas Panchayat is really very simple. It's a panchayat or a local body consisting of members from the village, and it is this local body that decides the kind of development that they want in the village.
क्या क्या समस्याएं?
पानी की समस्या है साहब,
एक तो और
दूसरी लाइट की है।
दूसरी